Hi, in today's video I will show you how to buy BONK coin on Metamask. For that, first we need to find the contract address for BONK. In order to do it, you need to launch any of your browsers that you are using, and here in the search bar you need to search for coinmarketcap.com. After that, use the search bar in the top right hand corner and search for BONK. Now once you are in the chart of BONK, you just have to scroll down a bit, and here as you can see that we have the contract address option. If you tap on more, you will be able to see various types of networks on which you can get BONK. So for this video, I'm going to select Ethereum and I'm going to copy Ethereum network. So in order to copy it, you just have to tap on the copy button in order to copy it, and it will show you that the contract address is now copied. Now you need to come to Metamask. Then first you need to select the same network, the address of which you have copied. So as I have selected Ethereum, I'm going to select Ethereum main network. But if you have selected BONK on the BNB smart chain, then you need to switch to the network to BNB and so on. So once we are here, you need to tap on the import tokens option, then select custom tokens. After that, paste the address over here, then press next. Now it will automatically take the token symbol as well as the token decimal. So you need to tap on next. Now press import. Then after waiting for some time, it will show you that BONK is now imported. So you need to tap on it, and after tapping on it, if you scroll down a bit, you will notice that we have now send and receive option. So basically you can purchase BONK on any other coins or exchanges, and from there you can send your BONK on Metamask. Or second thing that you can do is, if you already have some Ethereum in your Metamask account, then you can even tap on the browser tab in the bottom and you can choose any swap, and from there you can purchase BONK. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.